Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about the Arabic vowels. Arabic vowels might seem hard at first, but when you practice, you will become better and better every day, inshallah. It is so organized language, so you will not struggle like you do in English. Now, let's start with Bismillah. The vowels, as in any language like the English language, is the letters or the moves that allow us to pronounce other letters. So the Arabic vowels consist of two types. Short vowels, which are the shapes we write above or under the letter to show the pronunciation of a specific letter. But the long vowels is the same as the short vowels, but stretched longer. That's why we call them the stretched letters. Now the topic of today, main short vowels in Arabic. The first one is al-Fatha, the open lips vowel. The second one is al-Kasra, the medium opened lips vowel. And it is written as you see under any letter in alphabet. And al-Damma vowel is the circled open lips. Now let's take two examples on how to pronounce specific letters with al-Fath vowel, al-Kasra vowel, and al-Damma vowel. The first letter, the Alif letter, which is the first letter in Arabic alphabet. As we know, this letter name is Alif, but we pronounce it with al-Fath vowel, ah. Don't say ah. Say ah. Because it's a short vowel, not a long vowel. We can pronounce the Alif letter three different ways. We pronounce it with al-Fath vowel ah, and now let's try to pronounce it with al-Kasra vowel. As we said, al-Kasra vowel to pronounce a letter with the medium open lips, as you see in the picture. Now we say I. Don't say E, because now it is not a short vowel. The Alif letter with a Kasra vowel again is I. So now we learned how to say it with a Fath vowel, ah, and how to say it with a Kasra vowel, I. The third vowel that we have is Ad-Damm. We can say the Alif letter with a Damm vowel with our lips circled. U. Again, don't do the common mistake of saying it ooh. This is a stretched long vowel, not a short vowel. Now let's say the Alif once more with a Fatha, Kasra, and Damma. Ah, I, U. Let's move to another letter. The second letter in the Arabic alphabet is Ba. Now let's pronounce the Ba with al-Fath vowel. Remember, repeat after me. Ba letter with al-Fath vowel, Ba. Ba. Ba letter with al-Kasr vowel, Bi. Ba letter with a Damm vowel is Bu. Again, don't stretch the vowel. Don't say ba, bi, bu. Instead say babibu. This is how to pronounce the Alif and the Ba with the different short vowels. Al-Fath, Al-Kasr, and the Damm vowels. Now let's continue the rest of the letters with the same as we did. We will say the name of the letter, then we will say it again, once with a Fath vowel, and once with a Kasr vowel, and another with a Damm vowel. I give you an example. The third letter in Arabic alphabet is called Ta. Now we will say it with a Fath vowel, Ta. Now we say it with a Kasr vowel, Ti. And the Damm vowel finally, Tu. So, Ta letter, Ta, Ti, Tu. Tha letter, Fa, Si, Thu. Jim letter. J. J. Ju. If you find it hard to pronounce, please go back to the previous video about the Arabic alphabet and try to memorize the Arabic alphabet very good before starting this video. Then come back here and practice the letters with the different 3 main short vowels. Now let's continue from the next letter, which is Ha letter. Ha, hi, hu. Kha letter. Kha, hi, hu. Dal letter. Da, di, do. Remember, don't say da, di, do. It's wrong. Instead say da, di, do. As we said, it's short vowels, not long vowels. Again, da, di, do. Zal letter. The, the, tho. Ra letter. Ra, ri, ru. Zai letter. The, zi, zu. Sin letter. Sa, si, su. Shin letter. Sha, shi, shu. Sad letter. Sa, si, su. Let's move to the next page, the rest of the Arabic alphabet, with the different 3 vowels that we learned. The first one of them is heavy letter. Dad letter, we pronounce it with Fatha, da, and with Kasra, di, and with Damma, du. Next one is heavy also. Ta letter, ta, ti, tu. Va letter, va, vi, zu. Ain letter, a, ai, u. Ghain letter, gha, ghi, gu. Fa letter, fa, fi, fu. Qaf letter, qa, qi, qu. Kaf letter, ka, ki, ku. Lam letter, la, li, lu. Mim letter, ma, mi, mu. Noon letter, na, ni, nu. Ha letter, ha, hi, hu. Wow letter, wa, wi, wu. Hamza letter, a, I, u. Ya letter, ya, I, you. Very good. You know now how to say the different letters with the 3 vowels that we learned today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Make sure to practice the letters because we are going to need it next lesson, inshallah. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe so you will see more of these videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.